The Three Gunas. The Three Gunas of Nature. Gunas, qualities, attributes, properties. Yoga Sutra 2.18. Samkhya School. Yoga itself requires us to harmonize Purusha and Prakriti. Purusha means cosmos, Prakriti means nature. Yoga teaches there are three gunas, qualities, behind all processes in Prakriti, nature. Guna has three energy states and complementary forces. The three gunas are Tamas, Rajas, Sattva. Tamas. Tamas, darkness, black. Mass or inertia. In the body, tamas predominates because it needs the mass and density of bones and muscle. Tamasic state. Bad sleep, laziness, sadness, confusion, depression. Tamasic food. All animal flesh, onions, garlic, mushrooms, overripe fruits and veggies, alcohol. Processed food, leftovers, overcooked food, stale and rancid food, and canned food. They are all tamasic foods. Tamasic mind. Muda mind. Muda state of mind is dull and sluggish, is lethargic. Muda state of mind is dominated by tamas guna. Rajas. Rajas, activity, red. Vibrancy or dynamism. Rajasic state. Excitement, passion, ambition, agitation, frenetic energy. Rajasic food. Millet, corn, apples, bananas, guavas, potato, broccoli, cauliflower, winter squash. Excessive consumption of spicy, sour, or salty food, excessive consumption of raw vegetables and pungent vegetables. Fresh, raw vegetables in excess increases the rajasic state. Rajasic mind. Shifta mind. Shifta state of mind is chaotic, agitated, scattered. Shifta state of mind is dominated by Rajas guna. In the brain and nervous system, Raja predominates because it needs to be light and quick. Negative aspects of a Rajasic mind is turbulent, frenetic, and agitated mind. Sattva. Sattva, clarity, white. Luminosity or quality of light. Sattvic state. Consciousness. Sattvic food. Fresh fruits and veggies, legumes and nuts, ghee and some oils, rice, oats, wheat, small grains, mung dal beans. They are easy to digest, fresh food, steamed vegetables, food recently cooked between 2 and 2 hours. Fresh raw vegetables and steamed vegetables are ideal for Sattvic state. Sattvic food are grown with mindful practices, organic, no GMO, cruelty-free. Sattvic mind. A mind that is calm, clear, alert, and tranquil. Ekagrata mind. Ekagrata mind is a one-pointed mind, a aware mind in relaxed attention. Ekagrata state of mind is dominated by Sattva guna. Nirodha mind. Nirodha state of mind is complete absence of ego. Nirodha state of mind is also dominated by Sattva guna. The interplays of the three gunas can be modified, stimulated, and balanced with yoga practice. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about yoga. It's totally free. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Namaste.